This is exercise 1.1 class 12 mathematics chapter 1st relation and function. Let's see 7 questions of this exercise. Show that the relation are in the set A of all the books in a library of a college given by relation X and Y have same number of pages is equivalence. So what will we do? For equivalence, we need to show that here reflexive, symmetric and transitive. If a relation reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then we can say it is a equivalence relation, isn't it? So first we will see reflexive here. We have a set A of all books in a library. It is a set, isn't it? So what we need to do? Let A belongs to set A. Then what it's our relation A and A have same number of pages. It is true, we can say, isn't it? Because A and A have same number of pages, so implies A comma A belongs to R. That is, therefore we can say R is reflexive. Now second we will take here, we can take place of AX, or we take A also, but here X is X and Y, so we can take X as an element in set A. Clear? Now next, what will we do? For symmetric now, symmetric. So we will take two elements, two pages in set A, X and Y. Belongs to set A, not R, set A. Then if X and Y belongs to R, implies X and Y have same number of pages, we can say, because it is given as a relation, so we can write it Y and X have same number of pages as well. Isn't it? So we can say Y and X belongs to R. In this condition, therefore R is symmetric. We can easily write. Now see last one. it is transitive or not. So we will take 3 pages here, belongs to set A, X, Y and Z belongs to set A. Then we can say X, Y belongs to R. So what is the relation here? X and Y have same number of pages. Isn't it? And if and Y comma Z belongs to R, so we can write for the given relation Y and Z have same number of pages. So one or two condition we can say implies if X and Y same number of pages and Y and Z we can say same number of pages, there's automatically X and Z have same number of pages. Isn't it? So implies X and Z here, X and Z belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive. So you can prove above R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore we can say thus R is equivalence relation. Isn't it? Now see next question. Let's see question number 8 here. Show that the relation R in the set A given by A minus A modulus is even, is equivalence. So first we need to show that here equivalence, and thereafter second part is show that elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Isn't it? And the element 2, 4 are related to each other. And last one, but no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to each other, of related to element 2, 4. So first what will we do here? So first we make the relation as a roster form. It is set builder form given here. So what will we write here? We take the AB element of set A from set A such a way the difference of A and B or after modulus we will get even number. So if we take 1 A, isn't it, and 1 B, so we get 0. So we can say 0 is an even number, and same as 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. We can write 5, 5 as well. After subtracting we get 0. Now if 1 minus 1 we will get if we take 1 as a and 2 as a b, so if we subtract and take a modulus, after we will get 1. So 1 is not even number. Same as we can see here, if we take 1 and 3, 1 as a, 3 as a b, so we will get 2. So 2 is even number. So we will take such a way that we will get even number, subtracting and taking modulus here, isn't it? So now we will take 1 3 1 5 so we will reciprocal inverse of that 2 pair. 5 1 also we can write. Now 2, now a as a 2, so 2 3 2 4, 2 3 is not 2 4. Now 3 3 we already taken, and 2 2 also. Now 3 5 with reciprocal inverse 4 2 5 3. Now 4 4 4 5 5 5 4 2 3 5 5 4. This is the roster form here. Now check it is equivalence or not. First we will see reflexive in order 2. Here 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 belongs to relation, so we can say it is a reflexive. Let's write in mathematical way. Let A belongs to set A, then A minus A belongs to 0 is even. So we can say A comma A belongs to or reflexive. We can write here. Next one we can see symmetric. For symmetric, let A comma B belongs to set A, then A comma B belongs to R implies A minus B is even given here, isn't it? So we can say B minus A is also even. Why? Because earlier we did, if 1 minus 3, we will see in relation 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1, 5 comma 1, 1 comma 5 you can see here, 2 comma 4, 4 comma 2. So we can write in this way B comma A belongs to, so it is symmetric, we can say, isn't it? Now see last one, transitive. we can write in short here. Let A, B, C belongs to set A, then A comma B belongs to R. We can write A minus B equals to, we can say 2 even, say, isn't it? We write 1 here. And B comma C belongs to R implies B minus C is also in, so we can write 2E2. We write here 2. Now adding question 1 and 2. We get it is even. So we can write A comma C belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive. Hence R is equivalence relation. Now second part here, the element 1, 3, 5 set are related to each other. So we can take here 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 4, 5, 5, 1. So in all condition we will get even numbers, isn't it? Are even numbers, therefore all elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Now next part also 2 minus 4, 4 minus 2 are even number, therefore all elements of 2, 4 are related to each other, isn't it? Here last part, but no element of 1, 3 is related to any element of 2, 4. Let's see last part here. Clearly 1, 2 we will get 1 here, 2 minus 1 we will get 1 here, and 1 minus 4 we will get 3 here, and 4 minus 1 we will get 3 here, 1 we will get 1, we will get 1. So same as in all condition we will get odd number, not even. So are not even, no element of the 1, 3, 5 is related to the any element of 2, 4. So we have done question number 8 here. Now let's see our next question, question number 9. Let's see question number 9 here. show that R is equivalence relation and set we have here the value of x is integer and the value of x equal and greater than 0 and less than and equal 12. So we will take the set as a set 0 to 12 here, isn't it? And the next one we will write set relation. First is a minus b modulus is a multiple of 4. It is first relation here. And second relation we have got a equals to b. So first we will write set A as a roster form here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It is the set here. So first we will check first part, first relation. We can say R is relation, the condition is a minus b modulus is multiple of 4. So we need to show that equivalence relation. First we will see for equivalence reflexive. In order to let A belongs to set A, then A minus A equals to 0 is multiple 4, isn't it? So we can write A comma B, A comma A belongs to R. Therefore R is reflexive here. Isn't it? Because 0 is a multiple of 4. If we will here for understanding, let's see 5 0 minus 4 we will get 4, 0 minus 8 we will get 4 here, isn't it? And we will take A and B such element who will be the multiple of 4, and 4 minus 4 is also we will get 0, 8 minus 8, and the all condition we will get 0 same for same element. So we can say it is a reflexive. Now next one we will see it is symmetric or not. Let A comma B belongs to set A, then A comma B is in a relation, so we can write A minus B equals to multiple of 4. We can write here 4k1, 4k1, 4k, it is a multiple of 4. If we write here B minus A, it is also multiple of 4. So we can write here B comma A belongs to R. Multiple of 4 we can write here, isn't it? R is, therefore R is symmetric here. Isn't it? Now next, third part, we can see transitive node. Let A, B and C belongs to set A, then A, B belongs to R. So what is our relation? A minus B multiple of 4, we can write 4k1 equation first, and also B, C belongs to R, so we can write here B minus C equals to 4k2, we can say equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. We get, what will we get? A minus B plus B minus C equals to 4k1 minus k2. So we will get A minus C equals to 4k1 minus, it is multiple of 4, we can say. That is implies that A, C belongs to R. So we can write therefore, or we can say R is transitive. So it satisfies all three conditions. So we can write thus R is equivalence relation. Now see last part here. Find the set of all elements related to 1 in each other. So let's see here. Let B be the set of, let B be the set of element related to 1. How? Because 1 is related to 1, so B we will get here 1, 5, 9. Why? Because we can write here, since 1 minus 1 equals to 0, 1 minus 5 equals to 4, and 1 minus 9 equals to, we can write here 8. So all three are multiple of 4. So the set must be 1, 5, 9. Isn't it? This is the 9th question, and second part you will do yourself. It is try. It's try here. You can do yourself. Now if you have got any problem in these three questions, you can write me on comment box. Thanks for watching this video, and like and subscribe Subject Guru. Isn't it? Thank you.